On January the 9th, it will become my great privilege to have served the people of Illinois for 12 years as the Auditor of Public Accounts. And I report to you this evening with a great deal of pride that we are doing more work in the Auditor's office with fewer employees than the office had in 1960 before I was elected. And why the state budget was going up 322%. The budget of the Auditor's office went up only 118%. And just recently, I reported to the people of Illinois that in 12 years, we have returned to the state treasury unused $1,171,000. We have always lived within our budget, not once since I have been the Auditor of Public Accounts, at a time when deficiency appropriations have been a rule rather than the exception. We have never asked the General Assembly to give us more money to finish out 1 year or 2 year period. I am not running on a record of promises of what I will do as Secretary of State. I'm running on a record of performance as the Auditor of Public Accounts for 12 years. If we can send men to the moon 250,000 miles away, if we can communicate with them by radio and television, keep track of their heart and pulse beat, if we can go into a motel and in a few minutes reserve a room 1,000 miles away, or go into a rent-a-car agency and have a car rented in a few minutes a few thousand miles away, or when you go to a bank to get a loan on your car and appliances, they can go to a central computer in a matter of minutes. They can tell whether you're a good risk or not. There is no reason why government cannot operate the same way. In the Auditor's office, we have arranged things that once we receive the authority to pay a bill, we have the check on its way to a citizen of Illinois within 3 to 5 days. We will do the same thing in the Secretary of State's office. We will try to bring the government to the people instead of having the people coming to the government. We made the Secretary of State's office also an instrument for lowering the insurance rate in this state for automobiles. Since Charles Carpentier was the Secretary of State in the 50s, if you went 3 years without a violation, when he renewed your driver's license, he sent you a little safety sticker that you could carry in your wallet or your purse. I intend to go further than that. I intend to send you a certificate saying you had no moving violations that you can take to the insurance companies and ask for reduced rates. When you commit a traffic violation, it's recorded in the Secretary of State's office. This is a public record. It's examined by the insurance companies. If you have a bad record, they raise your rates. If we're going to punish the bad driver, we should reward the good driver. A driver's license is more than a permit to drive a car. It's your main means of identification when you want to cash a check or identify yourself some way. For the blind, the crippled, our senior citizens, and for those who do not drive, I suggest we have a non-driver identification card. It should not be compulsory, but it should be available to any citizen who wants one. It would be of no cost to the taxpayers. Each person would pay its own way. We made the Auditor's office a model for the rest of the country. And I pledge to you this evening that we will make the Secretary of State's office a model of service, efficiency, economy, and integrity. And when I finish my time in public service, those of you who have watched my work will be able to say that I was a man of courage, that I tried to use sound judgment, that my integrity was beyond question, and my devotion was to every citizen of the state of Illinois.